Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about how to generate API key, Gemini API key, which is useful for integrating AI model in your application or website. So let's see. First, search Gemini API key in the Google Chrome. Then here we will go get Google Gemini API key. So click on the first link and please wait a little. Then we will come to the site, official website of Google Gemini API key. So you can see that I have created many API keys. So now again, we're going to create another API key. So at the top right here, just create API key. So just click on it. Here, select a project. So we are going to create a new API key. So we are creating a new project. Suppose Google AI API key. So that's our project name. So it takes a few seconds. So now we have to name the API key. So what we can, again, we put the same name or whatever your choice you want it to. AI API key. So just click on the create. Again, wait for a few seconds. And here we go. Just you can see that AI API key, our new API key, which we created just now. So while you need it, just click here in this button, copy API key, and whenever you need it, just paste this API key and you can integrate AI or AI models in your application. Thank you.